My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Krize. My video though is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware, of course. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files easily without troubles. Now, regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Krize ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then, because of the ransomware attack, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Then it also appends a special extension to the file names. The extension that is appended by this Krize ransomware is also called Krize, and the trouble is that removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files that are damaged by the ransomware are still encrypted. So now you can clearly see the results of the ransomware attack, and this ransomware appends this Krize extension. It also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You need to use your Internet Explorer browser to download Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the program, researching your computer with the help of this program. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So don't skip this very important step. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. This feature, though, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium, and it will help you to always get your data protected in the future.